Hello everyone! Today is really hot and we are going to draw 4 ice creams. And we're gonna start right over here with a little dot. We're going to draw a triangle ice cream. It's almost a triangle. Which fruit can be like a triangle? Well, it's a fruit that in summer you can eat it a lot and we can actually cut it almost like a triangle. So now you do the little curve and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the QQ eyes first, and then I can calculate the rest of my space. Great! Now the QQ eyes, remember, have a big circle and a small circle. Big circle and a smaller circle. Gee, you can fill them up right away if you want. There you go. There you go, QQ eyes. Now a smile. And now we're gonna go the peel of the watermelon. A thick peel and a thinner peel. Great. Now we are gonna draw a stick from the ice cream. Great. You can do also little seeds. You're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4 seeds. Okay. Now we're gonna do a cone. Since a cone has how many dots can we use to make a cone? 1, 2, 3, and 2 lines. Now I want to make this cone curve. Make a little curve, and then we're gonna make the ice cream on the top here. So we're gonna make one curve and one the opposite side. A second curve, one the opposite side, and a third curve, one in the opposite side, and the little tippity top of the ice cream. Now let's join together as small curves, and we got a little end walking there. Okay, there you go. Awesome! It's okay if you have those little lines there. We're gonna go around with a thicker marker. Now we're gonna do a little curve here to the opposite side. We're gonna follow the same all the way down. You can use your little finger to measure and do it again. One little finger, do it again. One little finger, do it again. And then you do the same for the opposite side. Try to join them together. Excellent! Now we're gonna make other type of ice cream, and we're gonna make one dot here, one on the opposite side, one down below, maybe around the same size of the other one, then another one here following this line. Now let's put together these 2 big lines. And because this ice creams, we want it to be curvy, we're gonna make another curve at the top and little curves at the bottom, and then join with the line. Great! Now let's do a stick around this area. 1, 2, and join. And now we're gonna do the lines to this one. We can make a curved line here, and again, make sure with your little finger a second line. My little finger, a third line. But now I remember I want to do a QQ eye. So let's make a QQ eye first. A big one and a small one. A big one and a small one. Great! You can fill it up inside. Awesome! A happy face. Happy, happy, happy. How about we measure 1, 2, 3 little fingers and then do the curve? and one little finger and then do another curve. Great! And now we're gonna do the last ice cream almost the same size as this one, but we're gonna make it thinner. So I'm gonna do the dots not too far away and then join it with a line. Great! Let's do another curve. Let's do 2 little curves and join with the line. And then let's make a stick. Great! Now, to make this a little different, I am going to draw a straight line, and a straight line, a straight line, and a straight line. And what do you think? Did you want to draw more cute eyes here? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, big circle, tiny circle, big circle, tiny circle. Smile! How about we make this one a little curly, with a little eyelash, with a little curve, and join together? Did you want to do another one? Okay. So now we have our ice creams. Now we're going to do a thicker line all around with a thicker marker. You can have a lot of fun. Now I'm gonna go and draw the outside of all the ice creams. Great! Now one of my favorite times is to paint. Is that your favorite time too? Okay, the watermelon is red, so we're gonna color red. Spread it gently. Continue all the way to the top and spread it gently. I tried to put most of the paint on the center just so it doesn't go out of the edges. There you go. Now let's paint the yellow part. Great. Now let's paint the green part. Great! Now let's paint the ice cream stick. It's a light orange. Now I'm gonna paint the cone the same color inside the shapes. Gently. You can take your time. Great! And now that we have this color, why don't we paint the sticks? I'm going to choose one of my favorite colors, which is pink. I am going to start at the top pink to flavor the ice cream. What flavor did you want to have next? I think I want to add purple. You can choose your favorite colors. Imagine you're at the ice cream store. You can ask your favorite flavors. Now I am going to color the third ice cream orange. So I'm going to start with the strips. Orange. Great. Now I think I'm going to choose light blue color. Here we go. I'm going to paint the top and bottom. Add a little bit in the center and spread it. But you can do whatever technique you want, because you can do whatever your heart feels like it. Great, everybody. Now I'm gonna do the last ice cream. I'm gonna choose light pink, and we're gonna paint the top and the bottom. And I can paint a little face also pink. If you want to paint, draw, and create more with me, just search for Mommy's Art School. Now I think I'm gonna paint again the dark pink. Great. And I'm bringing light the the light bin to spread this. Great! Now another one of my favorite times is sparkling time. We have silver sparkle, and I'm gonna spread it with the brush. The watermelon is looking so happy and magical, and I'm gonna spread it all around. Now I'm gonna use transparent sparkle to put on the green and the yellow. Now let's use the neon sparkle, and we have pink with purple. So I'm gonna let it go and put in the other side also. Great! Now we're gonna use with golden. And I'm just gonna put it here on the sticks. Now we're gonna use turquoise or light blue. And we're gonna use the brush to help spread it out. Make it really sparkly. We have orange sparkly. Have a lot of fun and enjoy. Let's use this sparkle pinkish in here. There you go, fill it up. Great! I hope you really enjoyed throwing these cutie ice creams. Wow! That was so much fun making art with you. And don't forget to click subscribe and like so you never miss another adventure. Ciao, ciao!